Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Imagine a life where your bank balance grows even when you're not actively working. Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a tangible goal. Today, we're going to delve into various passive income strategies that have transformed ordinary individuals into self-made millionaires. Indeed, building wealth while you sleep is not a fantasy, but a reality many individuals have achieved. Let's explore how they made this possible. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes a well-thought-out strategy, persistence, and sometimes the courage to take calculated risks. With that in mind, let's delve into the world of individuals who've turned the dream of earning money while they sleep into a reality. Take Jenna, for instance. She started out with a simple blog about her passion for healthy living. With time, she leveraged this platform to dive into affiliate marketing. Promoting products she genuinely believed in, she soon started to earn a steady stream of passive income. Today, she's not just a successful blogger, but also a financially independent woman who enjoys the fruits of her labor without needing to clock in 9 to 5. Then there's Robert, a savvy investor who saw the potential in Dividend stocks. He meticulously researched companies, invested wisely, and patiently waited for his investments to bear fruit. Now he earns a regular income from the dividends these companies pay out. For Robert, the stock market isn't a battleground. It's a gold mine that just requires a little patience and a lot of knowledge. Let's not forget about Lisa, who ventured into the realm of online business. She identified a gap in the market for handcrafted soap, and she filled it with a top-notch product. With an effective marketing strategy and a reliable third-party logistics provider, her business runs smoothly without her constant oversight. Lisa's story teaches us that passive income can also come from creating something valuable and setting up an automated system to sell it. Lastly, meet David. He started his journey with real estate investing, purchasing rental properties that provide a consistent monthly income. Despite the initial investment being hefty, David's story is a testament to the power of long-term planning and strategic investment. These success stories are not outliers. They are proof that the dream of earning money while you sleep is achievable. It's time to start your journey towards financial independence. Now that you've seen the potential of passive income, you might be thinking, how can I start my journey? The answer is simpler than you think. Imagine a world where your income isn't solely tied to the hours you clock in at work. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're off the clock. Diversification is key. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Consider a mix of real estate investments, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, and online business ventures. Each of these paths offers its own set of rewards and challenges. Real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental properties. Dividend stocks, on the other hand, can give you a piece of a company's profits. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn by promoting products you love. And online business ventures? They can open doors to new markets and limitless potential. As you explore these opportunities, remember the importance of doing your homework. Thorough research is critical. Understand the risks involved and make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to seek expert advice or learn from those who've walked the path before you. Above all, be patient. Building a passive income stream is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and persistence. Remember, the journey to financial independence begins with a single step. Take that step today. Building wealth while you sleep is no longer a dream, but a reality within your grasp. We've delved into the world of passive income strategies, journeyed through real estate investments, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, and online business ventures. Each opportunity holds a unique potential to grow your wealth, even as you catch your 40 winks. We've shared practical tips and actionable advice, success stories that inspire, and a roadmap to guide you on this journey towards financial independence. The beauty of passive income lies in its accessibility. Regardless of where you stand on your financial journey, these opportunities are available, waiting for you to seize them. The future is shaped by the decisions we make today. So why not make a decision that brings you closer to financial freedom? Embrace the potential of passive income. Remember, the time to start building your future is now. Embrace the power of passive income and unlock your potential for financial freedom.